Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Ugreen Bluetooth receiver, wireless Bluetooth 4.1 plus EDR receiver adapter, support A2DP Bluetooth noise cancelling, 3.5mm aux stereo with microphone, hands-free calling for car, kids, home and audio. This is an awesome box. You can make your radio, for example, inside your car without USB slot to link it via Bluetooth to your smartphone, and then you have so many different options to make or to use music and other things out of your smartphone and out of your boxes inside your, for example, car audio system. The device comes with the latest Bluetooth 4.1+EDR technology. This is a receiver adapter features with Class II technology. This could support A2DP, built-in mic and Bluetooth noise cancelling technology, easily lets your non-Bluetooth speakers, wired earphone, headphones instantly become Bluetooth-enabled device. That means that every kind of sound system with no Bluetooth technology is, after using this Ugreen Bluetooth adapter, an Bluetooth-able device. Easy to use. It is universal compatibility, works with most Bluetooth devices and cars with 3.5mm aux output like iPod, iPad, PC, TVs, tablets, MP3, 4 smartphones, iPhone as plus, speakers, headphones, etc. Keep all your old stereo or wired headphones alive with new Bluetooth technology. In this example, we will join it to a car radio system. Now, for example, we will join it. We will link it by using the 3.5mm aux cable to the radio. Then the device is on, and let's go to our smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings, and then join the Ugreen Bluetooth adapter. There's a cable for power supply too. This power supply can load the battery inside the device, of course. So let's start. Go to wireless adapters, Bluetooth, and let's have a look where it is. There it is, Ugreen 3034BE. This is Bluetooth, the Bluetooth center. You have to connect. Auto reconnect and hands-free calling. This Bluetooth receiver adapter will automatically reconnect the latest paired devices and avail up to 10 meters or 33 feet range without signal delay and block. And this is right, I tested it. Built-in microphone allows you enjoying hands-free calling anything. Safer driving for you and your family. Easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback and see you next time. So.